friends. Hopefully you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up in chat if you can. We've had tons of technical issues today. You may notice I'm being old-fashioned, having to use wired earphones. My AirPods today decided they were not going to work with the stream and decided to crash everything. So, thank you, AirPods. Really, really appreciate it when you do that. But hello to each and every one of you. We're only 10 minutes late. You know, it's the MLH way. I'm super excited to be joining you here today. Today, we're going to be building a Twitch bot. We're going to be doing it in a similar way to how we built our Discord bot over in local hack day share. I am super, super excited for this. But in case it is your first time tuning into one of these streams, you know, this is for MLH INIT. If you don't know what that is, you can head over to init.mlh.io to learn more. But in short, this is a week of learning, building, sharing, crying, and making memes about Ryan Swift. It's a celebration of the start of the 2022 hackathon season. I am so excited to be joining you all here. And I think the key thing before we get started, and I tell you a little bit about what you need to know, is that today I'm going to be learning how to do this live. So even if you're an entire beginner to all of this, it's totally okay, because I also have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. You know, I want to show you my process of how I learn how to do things, and I felt it would be useful for me to not go take a look at docs before we go and kick things off. So that's kind of my plan. Hopefully it pays off, but I would say, like, you know, don't feel like if you're a beginner you can't do this. You got this, you're going to be amazing. We have got a question. Well, someone even said my name like this. I've never had my name worded like this, but sure. But of course, this is MLH INIT, and that means there is a very important thing we've got to do, and that is we've got to go check in using that link at the bottom of your screen. It's hackp.ac/RyanSmells. I'm sure Ryan will love me as much as he always does for that. And let me just show you how to check in, because, you know, it is an entire week of, you know, learning, building, sharing, checking in, and all of that kind of stuff, but you know, if it's your first time checking in, it might not necessarily be super obvious how you do that. So what you need to do, believe it or not, is first of all, open your favorite browser. And if you now just opened Internet Explorer, I apologize, but you're dead to me. So in my case, I'm going to open Chrome. I'm going to open a very special color Chrome. I'm also going to make sure I'm screen sharing, because right now StreamYard does not want to screen share. It's one of those days. Plus, Bazinga. Okay, cool. Now it's working. So, Bazinga, no, that way. This is a website, and if we head over to hackp.ac/RyanSmells, it's going to take us to a page that looks a bit like this. Now, you're going to see a login and register button if you're not already logged in or registered. That kind of feels obvious, so you're probably going to want to click it. When you do, you should see your name in the top right corner. I have my name, because I am me. You might not have my name, because you're not me. But you should now see a register and check in button. So click register, check in. It's going to turn green, and well done. You just earned a point for Blahaj Gang, Eddie Herbal, whichever guild you're in. And what do points mean? Absolutely nothing, but who cares? That's kind of the entire point. Coca's got like a really cool thing. It's like, yeah, Twitch chats run on IRC. Would this bot work on non-Twitch channels? Probably not. Low-key, I have no clue, but I suspect not. It's not IE now, it's Edge. I do not put it past one of you to go and install like IE just to spite me. It would not surprise me. And once you're checked in, you are ready to go for today's kind of, it's not really a workshop, it's just me attempting to learn stuff live. And today we're going to be using a thing called Autocode, because Autocode rather conveniently recently released a Twitch integration less than a month ago. And, you know, I've literally just taken a skim read of this, but the entire point is you can make it so on certain actions on Twitch, it goes and does certain things. So in our case, you know, we can say when the stream goes online, go and put Ryan Swift's face in chat or something. I didn't accept the invite. Yeah, I did. Oh, whoops. No, I didn't. Whoops. So yeah, you can do all sorts of different things using a bot. You know, you can use all of Twitch APIs. Like, if I was really, really trusting of you, and I'm not, I could give you a command to go and change the title of a stream, for example. Again, I am not doing that. And the cool thing about Autocode is, even though we've never built this before, it's going to help us do it. Because, you know, it helps us kind of build what we need to do. So, for example, we can say, on a new follower, go and send an alert to Twitch. Or post a tweet when you start live streaming on Twitch, right? You can do tons of stuff. This is actually not a hashtag ad. I just really, really like it. Oh, and thank you, Prototype. So this is like awesome. I really like using Autocode. I'm gonna throw the link in chat. You know, the team are really cool as well. Like, I am slightly biased. I've met them before. They're really, really awesome. And I think it's an awesome project, which is why I use it. So, you know, this is me attempting to learn live. This is not necessarily a workshop. It's just kind of live, whatever. Adam, if you want to go and tweet Keith and Autocode, they probably will come and say hi. And, you know, we're going to try building this Twitch bot. Now, if you're anything like me and you're entirely new to something, it doesn't really make a ton of sense to go and build something from scratch. And I'm trying to learn this. And so instead, I'm going to use one of their like built-in like example apps to go and build something. Oh, wow, you can like do Discord alerts as well. This is really cool. But the cool thing is, you know, we can go and use one of our built-in ones. If we do a new project, we can go and build something out. But let's have a look and see what other people have built, and let's try and get some inspiration. Does anyone have any ideas on what we could do as like ours? Like what could our bot do? I'm curious. Because we can say on chat, do something. So we can say, hey, do this. Oh, interesting. There's lots of different things we can do. And I need to have a think about what would be cool. You could do, I don't know, Twitter and Discord. Like joining like the two together with Twitch would be cool. But I'm also just like, bit of a struggle, right? Like I want to have a look and see like what someone else has made, right? Because if I see what someone else has made, it'd be good. Exclamation mark Blahaj, Princess Shark in chat. We'd have to find a way to go and do like I think that's a really cool idea, but I think it's gonna be a struggle, right? Because you'd have to go and I'm not sure. Let's use this Discord starter. We're not actually gonna connect to Discord. We're gonna go and just, you know, use it as a way of getting some inspiration. But yeah, is it like copy pasta? Yeah. Like, why would you not copy pasta? Jack's special Twitch bot. Let's call it that. And yeah, like at the end of the day, like, you know, there's no harm in doing that. Now, the really cool thing is autocode lets us go and connect multiple things. You're a community hero in the autocode Discord server. Well, that's awesome. That's really, really cool. And, you know, we can just go and connect them. So in my case, I'm going to go connect Twitch. Because, you know, believe it or not, Twitch is probably necessary. And I have to be a little bit careful here because I don't really want to expose my stream key on stream. And I know what you're all like. If I do, that will end very badly. I have also forgotten my Twitch password, so give me 2 seconds, friendos, to open one password. I'll send the link in chat in a second. Don't you worry. Let me go. I nearly just showed my credit card number on stream. That's always a good time. Let's grab this. I do need to be slightly careful about not showing this key. Let's go put a 2FA code in as well. Hey, VJ, how are you doing? Oh, this is such a struggle. Hang on. Let me, what am I doing wrong? I've got one password open and I'm like, where is my Twitch key? I can't find it anywhere. Like, this is a struggle. What do you mean request SMS? I don't want to request SMS. Wow. Return generic error. Well, that's going well. Love it when life goes well on stream. You know, love it when, I probably took too long to log in there. That's probably what just happened. So link new results. Here we go. You need to go and authorize all of this. Give them access to all of this. Yes. I am happy to, and hopefully this is not going to expose anything on stream. I am going to temporarily hide this while I go through this, just because I don't want it, just in case it pops up with something. Okay, I think we're good. I'm also going to go and link a Discord bot, and we already have our init bot in Blahaj Gang, so you can use that as a kind of test thing. It's a lot of permissions. It's because it needs to be able to kind of do any action you make in autocode. I guess is probably a way to kind of mess with it. And I am just going to hide the stream again just for a second in case this exposes something you shouldn't. Cool. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is, you know... Oh, I know what we could do. We could write a bot which lets you go and make a Twitch clip. And then it automatically posts the Twitch clip into Discord. And so you get like a Discord channel with like tons of different Twitch clips. That's like really, really cool. Oh my god. Okay, yes, let's do this. So I need to get the channel which for Discord. Now again, I don't know how to do this, so that's fine. I know Adam is asking for the link to the starter code we're using, so let me just grab you that real quick. It's Twitch, and it's going to be autocode. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. You can grab the links at the bottom of this page. VJ, your puns are not getting better, but it's okay. It's okay. And, you know, I need to go and grab a channel for Discord. So, Discord channel ID. How do I find this out? Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Make sure you have developer settings enabled. Cool. Let me get Discord open. Welcome to the mess that is the MLH server when you're a coach. It is horrific. If I go into Blahaj Gang, because that's where we're going to test this, because why not? We'll create a channel called Jack's. Test channel. I'll give away 100 Ryan coins when Jack does IST friendly streams. Mate, I live in like Toronto. It's not exactly easy. Like, I know it's a pain for all of you. Like, I appreciate it. But like, sorry. Like, I work during a lot of IST hours and the other ones I'm asleep in, which is kind of the issue here. Like, it's not you, it's me. But like, it's going to be a difficult fix, not going to lie. Cool, I have developer mode enabled. For a channel ID, to grab channel ID, shift click for copy ID message for a message that will give you a channel ID. Cool. So if I do this and it says copy ID, if I shift click, it should. I have literally no idea which of these is message and which one's channel. That is terrible UX. So. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is like the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life, friends. Copy ID, dooba-dooba-doo. That is the message for Adams. That includes both, which means this, I think, is the channel ID. I guess we're going to find out pretty quickly. So, thank you, Adam, for actually being supported. We're going to throw it in the channel ID to receive the alerts in. We're going to install the app. And we're gonna see what happens. You know, I don't want to just alert on follows though. I want to do like on something happening in chat, send a message here. And I guess we'll see how this goes. So Bazinga installed successfully. That's awesome. That means you can actually start writing some code. I'm gonna check if Adam has tweeted at me something vaguely horrific real quick, because I know what you're all like. You know, I know you can be the best and also the worst. Oh, you've actually not yet. That's good. And so bazooka. We have some instructions. We're going to ignore them. And if we go into functions and events, and then Twitch, and then me, and then channel, and then follow.js, Bazinga. It means on a new follow, you know, a message, in theory, is going to be posted in this channel. So, if anyone wants to test it and you don't already follow me on Twitch, you can head over to twitch.tv/JacklynBig and hit follow. Feel free to also hit subscribe and give me money. That bit's optional. But yeah, go hit follow on there. You know, I'm just gonna click continue sub. You know, I'm happy to give myself money. It just get you a blahaj emoji. Also, I'm not gonna tell you to sub to me on the MLH stream. That'd be weird. And you can go and if you follow me on there, in theory, something will get posted here. We'll see if that ends up working. I may need to deploy this before you do so. So give me a second. Let's hit run, I guess. But I think this should work. And there we go. You know, the Inititron 5000, which is, yes, Ryan's face, says, cool user just followed you. Amazing. Hey, well, stuff's already working. Well, that's surprisingly good. I mean, we've already managed to build something. Admittedly, all we did was copy paste. If you are looking for the starter code, it's on... you can grab it at the bottom of this kind of page. And yeah, if anyone else wants to have it, like, see it happening, it's twitch.tv/JacklynBiggen. You can give it a test and see if you can get it to post. So, you know, we've already got stuff working. You know, we've already got people, like, triggering our bot, which is really, really cool. You know, we've already managed to build something by copy-pasting someone else's code, which is really, really cool. So, let's see if we can work out a way to make it do something else. How is this structured, this file? Ooh, whoops, I went the wrong way. Do I need to do something different? So it's gonna send this, it's gonna send this. If I go on readme and in gallery, this is just if I don't need. So in theory, I think I can just go and add a file in here and make it do something else. You're already a follower? Thank you, VJ. And yeah, if you want to see this live, blahaj.lol/discord. Okay, so let's go and add a new endpoint. We're gonna throw it, what should we call it? Let's call it like just test.js, I guess. Don't want to call it main.js, that's the boring name. Test.js. And I think we can go through this under channel. Now, if I remember rightly, the way this works is you have to copy the entire path, which is totally fine. So let's do rename, and let's call it test.js. Okay. Craziness is happening. Auto show code isn't showing anything for you at all, is it? No script or ublock? Almost definitely, I would suspect no script. I think it requires it. So, Bazinga. Okay, we have our test.js. Let's now copy this and let's try building something a bit different. So what we can do is we can do await lib dot, and then it's going to connect to the API, twitch dot, and then what do we want it to happen on? lots of different things. So when we do this action, do this thing. And, like, that's the thing. I need to work out, like, how is this structured? I'm trying to work out, like, what causes it. Like, how is this triggered? How does it know to go and run something on a follow? So, does this, but what causes this to happen? I probably should read instructions, shouldn't I? This app notifies you on a Discord channel whenever any follower follows. To customize it, go into follow.js and change this. You can also set the message to anything you like. Totally fine. But, how, we need a Bazinga emote. I would love to give you a Bazinga emote, but I have no idea how to add emotes. Not gonna lie. So, I can see it says, I have no idea how this is detecting when I follow. I probably should like go very carefully into things that I shouldn't be looking into because I might expose keys. I am very confused. Oh, okay. It happens because it's in the folder. So on the event that Twitch channel gets the follow, trigger this endpoint. Oh, I am so dumb. Okay. So, if I don't call this test.js, but instead I need to go and add a new Twitch thing. Again, I'm going to just take stream off for a second, just to make sure I don't expose something. 2 seconds. Okay, I don't think I'm going to expose anything. Cool. I need to go and take a look at their docs, I think. So let's go and have a look at the AutoCode Twitch docs and let's see how we do it. AutoCode Twitch docs. And I believe on here, you'll see Twitch. Ah, here we go. So twitch.chat is what we want to trigger on. So I guess it's twitch.me.chat, I guess. Let me just check like what the follow structure on here is. So if I look for follow or clip even, let's have a look at clip. Actually, no, let's do chat. Chat's a good one. I'm testing it. I'm curious though, because I don't see where follows is on here. Unless I'm being really, really blind. Oh, it'll be in the channel, won't it? So channel, and then follow? In hindsight, I probably should have gone and read the docs first, but that's fine. Adam says there, which button did you click? What do you mean, which button did I click? I don't remember clicking a button. Dooba-dooba-doo. I am very confused. It's okay. We're gonna get through this together. Dooba-dooba-doo. Dooba-dooba-dooba-doo. Twitch.me channel. How does this know to trigger? I love it when like you're just like on stream and you're like, I can't do things. Like that's my favorite kind of thing to happen. I think like, oh, I'm being dumb. So for people who don't know, the cool thing about AutoCode and why I like it, and the feature I did just kind of forget exists, is you can press this button. And then you can press new endpoint. And I completely forgot you could do this. And then you can say trigger this on when something happens on Twitch. So in this case, you can say on Twitch, when me.channel, like, can I do chat? Let's have a look. Which options do we have? Me.channel.reward points, me.channel.follow, moderator add, poll begin end, progress, raid, subscribe, unban, offline, user update. I'm not seeing chat, interestingly. There's no ability to do fun chat, but that's fine. Let's have a go at like, let's just test something by doing on channel ban. And when we ban someone, let's make it do something on Discord. So when we ban someone, I think it should go and post a blahage being sad on Discord. How does that sound? No chat yet. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. We can kind of hack something together for the memes. Can I zoom in on the code? I will in a second, Hannah. What did I miss? Don't worry, you're not missing much. You're just watching me trying to do things. So let's say on ban, do something. And on ban, let's go and do something in Discord, I think. So what are we thinking we should do on Discord? I think we should like have a sad blahage, right? And they have an embed builder, I think. So let's have a look. Discord embed builder. And I think we need a very, very sad blahage when someone gets banned. Dreamboy's like, time to get banned. I mean, if you want to get banned, I will personally be very sad, but it'll be okay. So we'll do embed title is Blahaj is sad. And we can say embed description is like name was banned. And this made Blahaj very upset. You know, this is like just a silly example, you know, like it's just a little thing. What about a taunting Blahaj? We could do. The embed URL can point to, let's see if we can find a sad shark. Like, see if I can find a sad shark picture. This, I think this is perfect, personally. If I open this in a new tab, perfect. I'm just gonna go and save that and upload it to Imgur. Can we get unbanned? I will unban you after we test things. Don't worry. I'm not going to permanently ban you forever. That would be mean. And so we'll go throw this beautiful picture onto Imgur. We're going to copy the link. And actually, give me 2 seconds, friends. Just need to grab another drink. And what I want you to do is, while I'm doing it, I want you to think of ideas while I grab a drink. Think of ideas in chat. I'll be back in literally like 30 seconds. So hang tight. Okay? Just going to grab a drink. Apologies, friends. I was slowly dying. And dying is not particularly fun, as I'm sure you all know. I'm not sure if any of you are dying enthusiasts. In fact, let me talk to you face to face real quick. I don't know if any of you are dying enthusiasts, but if any of you are, I'm sure you're well aware. Dying is not ideal. You shouldn't die. I don't recommend it. If you do die, don't, is basically what I'd say. What is the code so far? You just want to catch up? If you want to catch up, my recommendation is go on Twitch, click on the video, and you can go back to the start. But yeah, don't die. Rico's like, I'm willing to be a bit guinea pig. Well, Rico, we can ban you in a second and test stuff. Let's go. Ooh, that was trippy, wasn't it? Let's go and copy this image address. Let's go back into this Discord emote. The embed URL is going to be this picture. I have no idea if it'll actually embed the picture or not, but that's okay. We can even enable text. Oh. We can enable text-to-speech. Ooh, that feels like a dangerous game. I do see a TNR down there. Can we have like a picture? I'm never sure what you can do with this. Components. Can we do like an image? No, it doesn't look like it. Can we just throw like an image here? That might auto-expand. Let's find out. And so let's copy the code. And the nice thing is, it's going to automatically generate something. So the reason I'm showing you all of this, by the way, is that, you know, you don't need to be the best programmer in the world to build something amazing. And that's what I'm trying to kind of show you. You know, even if you're like a totally new programmer, that's totally fine. Under advanced on embed, oh, we can do images. That's so exciting. Okay, let's go back on. Advanced. Oh, I should have like seen that image. Okay, let's get our Blahaj picture. Well, it's not really Blahaj, it's just a sad shark, but that's fine, it's enough. And let's go back on. We're gonna go and say image URL is this. Oh, that is perfect. That is perfect. Okay, let's grab this code. Looks so perfect. I mean, there's nothing tragic. You would feel so sad if you got banned and then that kind of popped up in chat, wouldn't you? And then we're gonna say name was banned, and I think I need to go and inject in the person who was banned. So I think I need to go and put these in backticks. And I'm going to go and use the inspiration we got earlier in the follow.js. And we can see context.params event username. Cool. So, wonder why they're doing both. There's probably a reason. So I probably should go and follow their lead and do both. So let's do that. And let's do paste. Let's save it. Okay, who wants to be my victim? If you throw your Twitch message, Twitch name in chat, we can go test banning one of you and see how it goes and see how badly this goes. Is probably the better way of putting it. I'll head over to my channel. I'll go on chat. I think Rico volunteered, right? So ban at Rico. Oh, Rico, I need you to go on the chat and like post a message. If you want to like try being banned for this, are we going to use this as test? Head over to here, post something on that chat in like a different tab so you don't lose me, because losing me would be sad. I also love how the star is on Blahage's face. I find that kind of hilarious. But yeah, like head over, and then in just a second, we'll give it a test and we'll see how it goes. How badly can this go? Like, that's the big thing, right? It's like, I just realized I just pasted the Twitch chat link in the Twitch chat, which it would take you to. That is really not sensible. You can tell I've not drank enough caffeine today. It's one of those days. You know, hashtag the struggle. But yeah, go post in this Twitch chat, and then we'll give it a go and see how it goes. Because I want to try banning one of you, right? I want to see if our new bot works. You know, we want, you know, Rico's here. Oh, Rico's like, hi. Hi, Rico. Hello to you. Okay, so let's do ban Rico. F. I want an F in chat when I hit enter, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hang on, stop. Hang on. Wait. Did I hit save? I did hit save. Okay, it's theoretically deployed. Okay. In chat, when I press enter, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Rico's banned. What did I do wrong? That's a big question. F, because I didn't code it right. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see if there's anything in the logs that tells me I'm being done. There probably is. Do invalid channel ID. Channel ID must parameter must be formatted like this. Oh, friends, I forgot to put a channel ID in. It's one of those days. It's okay. It happens. Let me grab the channel ID from here. I forgot it just isn't. It just doesn't magically know, you know. There we go. I'm just like, yeah, you know, the code will magically work out what I want it to do. You know, it'll be able to do things. Like, of course it will. Okay. As you just saw, we managed to get everything working perfectly on the first try. So let's go and do the sensible thing. We're going to unban Rico, and then we're going to ban Rico again. So let's do unban at Rico. Okay, Rico, are you ready to be banned again? I want F's in chat again when we ban Rico, okay? Here we go. Is this deployed? It looks like it probably is. And here's the thing, right? Looking at logs told us this error happened. And so this is why you should look at your logs when you're programming. Coca's like, first try. Perfect, yes. So let's do ban. And I want F's in chat again, okay? At Rico, F. Here we go. Yes! Blahage is sad. Rico was banned and this made Blahage very upset. Okay, so let's just go and clean up that message a bit. I think, you know, we could just do... I wonder if bots can use... Oh, can bots use emojis on Discord? Let's have a look. Can we do like Blahage cry? Like a line of Blahage cries as our content instead? Because that would be pretty cool, right? Let's give it another go. Let's I think Rico's like been for enough today. Let's unban Rico because we love Rico. Unban Rico. And then what we're gonna do is, yeah, come back, Rico. We're gonna go and ban. Who we're gonna ban? Also, Jack, check out the new logs button in the bottom right. Ooh, what's the new logs button? Left, right. Which way's right? This. Oh, no way! Oh, this is so nice. Oh, you make me so happy. You make me so happy. This lets me see how I'm being dumb, but in like the place I'm being dumb. This is the future, friends. This is so cool. Bots can also send messages with colors on the side. I think it has a color. It's just blue. That's what you mean, right? Should it not remove me? I unbanned you, Rico. I'm banning you from Twitch, not from Discord. Banning you from Discord would be mean. Banning you from Twitch is totally okay. So let's try banning someone else. Let's try banning Carl. I met Carl. In fact, I'll tell you this story. I once met Carl. Well, like 2 years ago, I think it was now. And me and Carl once accidentally smuggled a knife into a passport office. To be clear, it wasn't intentional. We told them we had the knife, and they searched us. Okay, I need to give more context here. We had a cake called Colin the Caterpillar. I don't know if you've met Colin before. He's a really nice guy. This is Colin. He's the most important cake in the UK. He's beautiful, as you can see. You know, there's lots of different types of Collins. There's wedding Colin, birthday Colin, mini Collins. And we were having a Colin the Caterpillar together. And we had the Colin and the cake in our bag. We went to a passport office because I needed a passport. That's generally why you go to a passport office. And we forgot that we had the cake and the caterpillar and the knife in the bag. And so we go through security and they don't notice we have a large knife, like a bread knife basically, in the bag. And so Carl's like, hey, I've got a caterpillar cake and a knife. Is this supposed to be in here? And the person looked like, ah, crap. So yeah, that is my random anecdote of the day. We accidentally smuggled a knife into a passport office with Carl. So let's ban Carl for smuggling a knife into a passport office. It wasn't a proud moment. And why are these emojis not working? Friends, help. Why? We just want a Blahaj cry. Discord bot, use server emoji. Surely we can fix this. We can fix this. When adding a React, you need to use it in the same format. That's for, is there one for AutoCode? Is there like a doc for this? You need to backslash it, I think. Let's have a look. Emoji name, here we go. For custom emojis, you'll need to structure your emoji as emoji name, emoji ID. Cool. By reading docs, I just managed to go and understand something. It's almost like learning is good. We'll come back to that in a second. So if I go back into AutoCode, I need to go and structure this as, and does anyone know how I get the emoji ID? So let's go and delete all of these Blahaj cries I did wrong. So emoji name. I love it when docs like are really useful and like tells things. Like it actually was so helpful. Let's go on to server settings. Let's go on to role. No, emoji. Yes. I presume I can grab the ID from here, right? Discord find emoji. Discord find emoji ID. I want custom. Oh, whoops. You can get a custom emoji ID by right-clicking a custom emoji and copying its URL with the ID being the image file name. Oh, that's like super easy. So I read that. I can't actually remember what it said. You can get a custom emoji ID by right-clicking the custom emoji, copying its URL. Copy link, I guess. That gives us this. And the file name. Oh, so this is the ID. Cool. That is really unintuitive. So if we can put this line of Blahaj cries. Wait, there is a copy ID button at the bottom. Never mind. Yeah, I feel called out. Okay, I presume it's the same thing. No, it's not. Wow, Google lied to me, friends. Google lied to me. This is like the day which Ryan Swift told me he wasn't my dad. It's like, too much, too much. How do you get user and channel IDs? Amazing question. Channel, how do you get, you right-click a message. You select copy ID while holding shift, and it's the first part, I think. Same for message, you still hold shift. And for the channel, that's for channel and server, you can go and get it through server settings, I believe, or something like that. It might be like here. Not sure, but it's somewhere. Just give it a quick Google. It'll be there somewhere. They hide it quite hard, which is kind of a problem. So let's go to unban Carl. You know, I believe Carl has served his time for smuggling a knife into a passport office. Carl, there we go. And then I think Drainboy. Drainboy's been waiting for a while to be banned, so let's just do ban at Drainboy. Yeet. Wait, did I forget to go and save? I think I forgot to save. What did I forget to do? Thought I'd saved. Interesting. Let me just do like test so I can see if it like went out properly. That's probably a caching issue, I guess. It's hard to tell sometimes. That's your explanation? Yeah, just honestly, just that's how it be sometimes. So let's try banning someone else. I think we'll unban Drainboy. Give it another go. You know, a lot of the time programming is all about just trying the same thing over and over again until something eventually works. You know, sometimes, interesting. That's not what I expected. I'm confused. You making a bot for Twitch or Discord? Is the bot posting on Discord? So we were going to do a Twitch bot, but that's difficult. So we're basically building a bot which posts in Discord, but it uses Twitch as kind of the main kind of source of the data. So when events happen on Twitch, the bot looks at Twitch and it posts in Discord is kind of the idea. Send us. So it's a little bit like of an unorthodox thing. We're just kind of testing stuff out and kind of giving people inspiration for what they could build. It's kind of the idea. But my custom emojis do not yet seem to be working, which is unideal. And that means I probably need to go and read the docs again because I was ignoring half of them. So let's do auto code, custom Discord emoji, and do. See if they have like a snippet with some in, I guess. That would be quite useful. When it loads, Discord message with emojis. Does this include a custom one? Oh, it reacts like Pridebot friends. Like if you say like pride related words in Blahaj Gang, it like gives you kind of pride reactions. So it's like similar. That's really, really cool. So we could add some chaos in here. How do I use custom ones? Discord suggestion command. Is there really no like example one here? I will find one. Is the channel in question ID this? If so, can you look at the URL? You're gonna have to reword that, Coca. There's a lot of words there. I understand some of them. Don't understand all of them. The channel ID is doobie-doobie-doo. If you do this, so I'll show you. If you go all the way to the top, you can see the channel ID. We did it in chat. It's somewhere around here. Yeah, it's one of these ones. I think it's this one, this first bit. So I believe this is the channel ID. So yes, that's channel ID is bloop. Oh, you can look at the URL is what you're saying. Interesting. I guess that works if you have it open in your browser, but probably not if you're using the app. But yeah, that's cool. Where can I go and find doobie-doobie-doo? Doobie-doobie-doo. Where do I find things? Finding things is difficult. You know when you're trying to talk out loud and you just lose your trail of thought and it's really, really awkward because you're trying to keep talking, but you've lost it? It's my moment right now. Let me go back on my history, which I appreciate. Opening your browsing history on stream is generally a terrible idea. But that's fine. You know, you might expose stuff like, the time you bought Ryan Swift a birthday present and what the birthday present is, you know? Hashtag bring back Colin. Yeah, I think you are correct, Coca. Emoji. So this is how you react to emoji. Custom emojis require extra code. Streaming problems, I feel you. Yeah, I get it. Jacob, if you're around, can you tell what I'm doing wrong? You need to structure this emoji name, emoji ID. You go and you can get your emoji ID by typing /emoji name anywhere on your Discord server. Maybe I'm using the wrong emoji name. So if I do /Blahaj : cry. No, you're all good. I saw your tweet. Thank you. Interesting. That didn't work. /emoji. So /Blahaj cry anyone in your Discord server. How do I get... Oh, Adam managed to expose it with Not Quite Nitro. Thank you, Adam. You're the OG. Yeah, I'm trying to find the message ID. That's okay though. The emoji ID. I think I've got it. Let's see if it's right. Because it right now is... Yeah, I had the wrong emoji ID. I'm being dumb. Sometimes it does be like that. I think Discord basically lied to me when I googled and didn't look at your documentation, and so I've learned my message. I need to actually look at the documentation. I expect the message permalink might have a message ID. I believe you're correct, Coca. I believe you're entirely correct. Let's hit save. And while I'm hitting save, I'm just gonna go on Twitter. Ooh, not that Twitter. That's Twitch. I'm gonna go on Twitter, and I do want to see what you're tweeting. So make sure you are tweeting us using hashtag MLH INIT. Wow, I've got Shrek. I want you to tweet us using hashtag MLH INIT. And at Jack Biggin and at ML Hacks. I want to see what you're up to. If you're building a bot live as well. I am also going to go and give Jacob a lovely like and read. Wow, he deleted it. He doesn't love me, friends. I'm kidding. Allergy Shrek, yeah. So in theory, if we now do, if we ban someone, so if we unban Coca and try banning Coca again, it should work. So friends, if this works, I want a tidal wave of sharks in chat, okay? If this works, I need sharks. So here we go. We're going to do ban. At Coca Collector plus work. Okay. I need sharks if it works. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It worked, friends! We made Ryan Swift sad. It's a good day. I mean, it's a terrible day. It's his birthday. But like, hey, we did it. You know, it has those wonderful crying reactions. So the moral of the story today is read the documentation before you try and do anything, because otherwise things will go wrong in your life, and you don't want things to go wrong in your life. Thank you to Ezra, who is the only person who's given me a sea of sharks. Ezra's holding it all in for you, friends. I mean, Discord's going wild. Twitch chat, you're disappointing me. Mr. Sin, you're doing a decent job too. Thank you very much. Okay. Well, that is rather exciting. We have something vaguely working. So, what other chaos can we add to this? I mean, could we, like, when we should we actually build something vaguely useful? Should we make it so when you ban someone, it also goes and, like, adds them to the Google list, the Google Doc of Shame? Yeah, let's add someone to the Google Doc of Shame. So, I guess the first thing I need to do is open Google Docs, and I am going to be careful doing that on stream because there's secrets we don't need to see on my Google Drive. We've got things such as, you know, just saying, the Shark Hacks free schedule might be in there. So the spreadsheet of shame is what we're going to call this. And we're going to, I believe we can probably get, I would hope we can get the, like, the reason for ban. So we can go and, like, add them to the spreadsheet of shame. So anyone with link is going to be able to view this spreadsheet. It's going to be just a boring spreadsheet. Always remember, 2 days of debugging can be spent by 10 minutes of reading documentation. This is a very smart person giving us very smart advice. So, here is the spreadsheet of shame. My idea is, if you get banned, you get added to the spreadsheet of shame. I believe they can add them with the right permissions. Yeah, I can go and give you roles. Okay, so let's go and... Oh, by the way, me and Jamie Liao are doing a secret stream directly after this at 4 PM. Just a secret there. So, let's see if we can go and add someone to the spreadsheet of shame. Let's go and do create snippet. And, oh, not snippet. Snippet is not what I want to do. That is like a gist, I guess. I want to go and create a like magic 1D thing. So let's go and generate API workflow, I guess. Yeah, so I want to go and use Google Drive or Google Sheets even. Oh, I need to go and connect Google Sheets first. That would make sense, wouldn't it? So let's go and link a resource. We're going to use Google Sheets. I am going to go and hide this real quick, just to be safe. Going to do link new resource. I'm just going to sign in. As soon as I'm able to show you it again, I will. Just right now, you know, I don't want you seeing the entirety of my Google Drive. You know, there's some secret things in there. Rather ironically, I can't get into Google. That's not ideal. It's on my old phone, and my old phone is currently out of battery. How am I going to actually get in? The big questions we're asking here on the MLH stream of how do I get into a Twitch account, my Google account, which I've just locked myself out of. I love my life sometimes. I really hope I have a backup code in 1Password. I do. Amazing. Or that would have been extremely, extremely awkward. Coco apparently read this amazing advice on a social media post. Amazing news. In just a second, I will show you what I'm doing again on stream. I just, you know, I've got to like make sure you're not seeing all the secrets. You know, there's lots of a lot of secrets you could go and see. And that would be bad. That would be terrible. So, okay, so here is my spreadsheet of shame. And I have entirely lost my OAuth window, but it happens sometimes. You know, sometimes it'd be like that. Okay, yeah, I'm very glad I didn't just expose this because this has secrets on it for future events. Let's go and link the spreadsheet of shame. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing again. So, I have gone and linked it. Oh no! Free users cannot use more than 2 link resources. Well, that's a rip. Upgrade options. Do we have a student plan? I don't think they do. That's a rip. Well, for now, the spreadsheet of shame is just going to console to the console.log, I guess. That's how we're going to handle this. We're going to have to get creative, friends. You know, so sometimes things don't go as well as you expect. What's the wallpaper? You've not seen my wallpaper? My wallpaper is the Ryan Swift fan club. It's okay. Sometimes spreadsheet of shame doesn't want to work, but that's okay. We'll work around it. We'll just We'll come back to the spreadsheet of shame at some point in the near or distant future. For now, let's have a look at other stuff we can do with Discord. So if I go and create a new endpoint, and we can say on Twitch, when this Twitch event happens, just create a new Discord channel and put all the shaming in there. I guess we could do, but like, no, like, because I want it like a spreadsheet where it's like a graveyard. Okay, so actually, fun story. I used to play on a Minecraft server. The name is going to remain unsaid, but it used to have a graveyard on it for everyone who got banned, and that was kind of cool because it was like, oh, you got banned, like, welcome to a graveyard. So that happened. They were going to automate it, but it was too difficult, so they just removed it, which is a shame. So what other could we do? We could do custom rewards, which was really cool. Like, I really like that. It's like you redeem points on the channel and it goes and like does something on Discord. Let's give that a go. Let's see if we can do this. That infamous there? Yeah, absolutely. So let's go and do, oh, this is complicated. Me.channel rewards custom would add. So presume this adds and removes a thing from like it. So if you're not sure what channel points are, channel points are... Two bots working in parallel probably would work. Yeah, that would be like the really hacky way of doing it. So channel points are these. And these are like challenges you can complete, which like you do cool things using points. I'm wondering... when you... Oh, so on redemption, I suspect this means. You're ready to test, says Ezra. So I presume this means on redeeming for a certain thing. Okay. That is not what I was hoping to happen, but that's okay. So on redemption, and I guess I can use the whole context dot params. So let's just see what appears if I do context dot params here. Context dot so console.log. So console.log spits something out to our console, believe it or not. And then we'll do context dot params dot event. And can I get free... Oh, redeemed at. Okay, so we'll go and put redeemed at. What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Why is that turning red? What am I doing wrong? Oh. I need to do this, don't I? I know I technically don't, but I'm about to come back and change this, which is why I'm doing that. I don't think I can duplicate a line on the web console, but that's okay. It happens. And then we'll also go and try logging the person who did it. So we'll do context.event. Oh, whoops. Context. Why are you doing this to me, friend? Context.params.event. And then we want to do reward. So we can see, like, you click it and it goes and puts like a special blahage. So reward ID. Okay, so we'll log the reward ID. And then for good measure, we'll also do console.log eat. Because everybody knows you need to do that. So I'm going to hit save. Oh, whoops. Is it already saved? Oh, it's saving already. That's cool. And then once it has saved, cool, I'm going to go and give this a try. So I can go on this new log thing at the bottom, which I love. Let's go and try redeeming one of these. So I'm going to redeem highlight my message. I'm just going to send a highlighted message. This, in theory, should trigger something. Does this not have dark mode? I'm not sure. I expect there is a single timestamp as a string. Yeah, I guess we'll find out, I guess. I'm not super stressed over what it is. Interesting that didn't trigger anything. What did I do wrong? What do I use a timing out? Love it when I'm coding and doing things wrong. I don't think they have dark mode. I might be wrong. So I can avoid blinding you, I'll do the nice thing. I'll check my account settings. It's probably a terrible thing to check on stream, but whatever. Boobadoo, boobadoo, boobadoo. No, it doesn't look like they have dark mode yet, but that's okay. It might be there hiding. I might just not be able to find it. So this should be triggering on a redemption ad, but it's not. So let's go back on their Twitch API reference real quick, and let's see what we can find. We've got Twitch. I mean, the thing I'm never sure about is how do these link to what shows up here? I'm never entirely sure, but that's okay. We're gonna go and find channel points, I guess. So, okay, yeah, I'm confused. Auto code, Twitch channel points, and let's see if anything good comes up. I I'm not sure if a loop's useful. Right now, I just want to like trigger something. I just want it to like trigger. Like, I don't really care what it triggers, in all honesty. I just want it to like trigger something. And I believe this should, on redeem, cause something to happen. I presume that's what add means. Unless I'm being really silly. Like, test, chat. So that's sent. I redeem channel points. Nothing is in these logs though. Very, very confused. What am I doing wrong? I'm definitely doing something wrong. Oh, yeah, there's a loop. Hang on. Yeah. Thank you for pointing that out, friend. I didn't even realize there's a loop here. Appreciate you. Really, really do. It's one of those days. You know, do you ever have those days where you're just like... Coca's like, yeah, Jack, you're being really dumb here. You're like pressing the wrong button. And this is what I need. So it's been a day where I've like been a bit up, a bit down, a bit tired as well. And so having someone point out all my flaws is ideal right now. Not even being sarcastic. Send. Let's go in logs. Awaiting new logs from deployed API. Come on, friend. Come on, you can do it. Interesting. Wonder why we're running into this. Really do wonder. If I just put console.log yeet first, just so it gets to this point if it works. Like, I'm just curious. Because I presume this means on redemption. Also redemption update, maybe? I am very, very confused. Let me try doing it on redemption update and seeing what happens. I guess we'll run the same code. As a reward for my service, may I be unbanned? You know what, Coca? You know what? I guess I can unban you. Let's unban at Coca Collector. There you go. This is, you know, actual love. Let's see if redemption update is what we need instead of add, and I'm just using the wrong thing. So, hi, my message test. Go back. Logs. Give it a second. Still nothing. Interesting. Oh! Friends! It has to be a custom reward. And these are just built-in rewards. Okay. I'm making mistakes. And that's okay. So, let's go and make a custom reward. Create a custom reward. And let's just call it test the bot. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, 11, exclamation mark, plus work. Require viewer to enter text. This feels like a dangerous game, but whatever, I'll enable it. We'll make it cost 10 points. Which again, feels like a dangerous game, but it's okay. Reward icon, I hope I can just leave that as default. Doobadoo, cooldown, yes, I do not trust you. I can let you use it once a minute. Doobadoo. Let's go and hit create. So, view. If I now go on Twitch, I hit refresh, I should see a custom reward. Yes, test the bot. Okay, does this now work? Okay, redeem test the bot. And then I probably want to do custom reward dot redemption dot add instead of update. That was probably right the first time. So let it save and update. And I think I fixed it. I think we've done it. If this works, right, I need you to all go crazy in chat with emojis, okay? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go... I just realized I'm gonna also get hit by that 1 minute cooldown. I mean, this reward is temporarily out of stock. I just stocked it, friend. Can't be out of stock. Guess we'll turn off the cooldown for a bit. Why is it saying it's out of stock? It's definitely not. So test. It worked! We did it! Oh my god, okay, so this is coming through and we're getting a ton of metadata, which is awesome. Okay, can we get the text that was entered as well? Okay. So can we do like console.log? Does it contain the text? Context.params.event.reward.title. Prompt, I presume. Let's have a go. I think we've done it. And so if we go back here. Okay. I think that is the context. Jack, hit inspect element. What am I inspect elementing? What am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong. What am I doing? Wait, inspect element? What happens if I inspect element? Is there something hiding in here? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Okay, okay. Gonna stay calm. Gonna stay calm. Gonna get through this. Doobie-doobie-doo. Test the bot. Hello, fellow yeet. Hit chat. Come back in here. Into these logs. Did I forget to hit save? Interesting. I wonder what prompt is if it's not the text. Gonna give this just a quick refresh. Just because I think my scaling's gone slightly weird because I'm zooming in and out and I think it's going... Oh, in the log viewer. Inspect. Oh, these are so... This is nice. There's secrets. Oh, it's using Flexbox. Sorry, random. I feel like I'm missing something really obvious here. But yeah, this is awesome. Doobie-doobie-doo. Search result. Doobie-doobie-doo. 9001. Where is 9001 coming from? Is this one of you doing crazy things? Reward prompt. Go in here. Doobie-doobie-doo. Doobie-doobie-doo. Reward prompt. UID. Log result. Oh. Interesting. Inspect element the request. Oh, the request? Where's the request? I'm being really silly. Inspect element request from the small one. The small one. I see. Okay, okay. That makes sense. That makes so much sense. What? Hang on. Oh! Inspect request? You just made me very, very happy. You just made me very, very, very happy. This is actually really cool. Huh. I was not aware of this. Jacob, if you want to come on stream, let me know, by the way. You can come and, like, watch me stuff alive. Okay. So. How does this work? This is the redemption ad. I presume this is the data that comes. This is the username, the broadcaster ID, all of that kind of stuff. Prompt, reward, prompt. So can I see mine if I go on when I did mine? Which I think is somewhere around here. You'd love to? Cool. Let me grab your link. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just send a thing. Test 1, 2, 3. You're gonna get to see me at Tryland Live, friends. That's never good. I'm gonna presume this is the one I just did, right? Not sure. Am I on the right thing? I'm all over the place today. So, go back. Let's go forward. Inspect request. So that's, I presume, an example one. And I think this is probably the real one. We'll work it out in a second. Let me go grab a special link so our friendo can come on. Use the input as text. Cool. I'm probably just missing something. Let me go and do invite. Let's copy. Let's go onto Discord. Just going to go and slide into your DMs, Jacob. I hope we're enabled. If I go on to the AutoCode Discord, and I'll just slide this link into your DMs. Please don't share it. Cool. So, let's go read things again. Oh, I was like, please don't share it, I say as I accidentally show it on stream. Whoops. Oh well. Everything will be okay. I'm pretty sure none of you had time to abuse that, and you can't get put live until I do it. No, whenever you want. If you want to come live now, you ain't welcome to. That was the offer. It's okay if you don't want to, don't worry. I won't be too offended. User input, I see. Event user input. So event dot user input instead of reward. It's not part of a reward because you input it, right? User input. Save. Okay. I think today is the day everything works. Let's give it a go. Test. And then look in logs. It also says reward prompt. Okay, we'll look it out. But we have a friend who's come to say hi and watch my suffering live. So let's give him just a second. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to appear to the world, friend. Cool. Hey Jacob, long time no speak.
Hey Jacklyn. Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm great. This is a great surprise. Yeah.
I can promise you, it's just a surprise for me as well. Like I was like, I'm in a purple
room also. which is kind of fun.
Show the entirety of chat, that purple room. That is beautiful.
Yeah, it's purple.
Friends?
I'm here for the 4th of July. It's been fun.
Oh, I'm very, very jealous. I mean, America's about to celebrate 4th of July. We're celebrating Canada Day.
That's right.
Yeah,
yes.
Happy Canada Day. Canada Day is now an international holiday as of this morning, for anyone who doesn't know. So Jacob now celebrates it. Ashwin's very excited, Jacob.
Wow, yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited you're here, Ashwin. Thank you.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I'm currently attempting to build a Twitch bot with limited success. And by limited, I mean I'm terrible.
No, I've been watching. You've been doing great.
I'm glad you think so.
Yeah, we don't have. We're working on chat support right now. It's a bit of a separate thing, but yeah, I saw the ban command and the on ban event and the follower thing. So pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm excited for when you get chat, but this ban stuff is actually still useful. Like back when I did not Twitching, Mixer streaming. For anyone who doesn't know, in a past life I used to be like a Minecraft streamer. I suspect some of you don't know that, because why would you? We had this massive problem where keeping track of anything was impossible, because you would ban people and then people like 4 months later would be like, why did you ban me? And you're like, I have literally no clue. So like actually the spreadsheet of shame is something which I actually want in my life.
Love it.
So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this goes. So event user input, I'm presuming, is the user input on my custom reward. Is that likely correct, do you think?
That sounds likely correct to me. I think let's give it a try.
Okay, so let's do this. Is my user input plus work. I forgot to actually redeem the reward. That would have been sensible. It's like a really weird, like janky way of doing chat input, I guess. So we then hop onto our logs. Oh, this is my user input plus work. Amazing. And so, what would you say the craziest thing you've ever seen a Discord bot do? Like out of any of them that we could potentially do today when someone, goes and redeems this?
So someone did actually, one of our community members built something really cool in ours. Actually fetching like autocode docs from a slash command, which I thought was really cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah, I think that would be a bit of a challenge. They kind of like scraped our pages, and I don't think we could do that right now. I think there's some cool things you can do with Twitter. I saw you, I think at the very beginning of the stream, looked at maybe that one with like sending alerts there when you go live. Yeah, I think that something with Twitter could be really, Twitter and Twitch, like peanut butter and jelly, right?
Okay, I think that'd be really cool. If any of you currently are not hit your free tier limit and you want to try using Twitter or something, I'd actually be really interested to see one of you manage to create something that when you go live or it tweets, or when someone uses a reward it tweets. As a heads up to all of you in chat who are building this, please, please, please do not get the user input and tweet it directly. I really hope you all know why that's a terrible idea. Do not do it.
Yes, keep secret things secret.
Keep secret things secret. If users are putting things into this, like they can put anything into it. You probably don't want to put it directly out. But what could we do with like the realm of Discord on my free tier? I'm thinking we could go crazy. Like we can't connect something else, but we can go in like
just in Discord.
Yeah, we can just use something in Discord.
Yeah, there's stuff with moderation. People have done kind of like ban, kick, mute commands. Those are pretty common. You can do more exotic things like set raid limits. So you can like enable and disable slow mode for raids with like a command or slash command or prefix. I think Discord loves prefix commands, but slash commands, but yeah, prefix is maybe a little easier to set up in this. We could also do some with buttons too. Buttons are pretty cool, pretty recent, but you can respond to you basically set like embeds that have buttons and then click it and then show like rules or like update a message. Yeah.
Oh, I'm actually like, let's have a go at like trying to build an embed with buttons, and we can find something cool it can do.
Okay.
So as you send a message to a guild text or DM channel, I'm going to presume is probably how
that's
we go
the one for sending. To set up the buttons themselves, though, I think that embed build that you had earlier.
But you can send.
Yeah. So it works. You'll send a message with a button, and then you'll have another handler that like responds to the button press, basically.
Gotcha. Also, just to check, Jacob, you can't hear yourself echoing back at you, can you? Because I know sometimes that's a problem with how this
No, you're great. Works. Actually, this is the best. This is probably the best OBS I've used so far.
Amazing.
I'm not much of a streamer, but it's working great.
Awesome. So we can do channel ID. Well, we've got our channel ID. We struggled to find that earlier, but we have successfully found it.
Mm-hmm.
Annoyingly, it's in the same tab, so I'm gonna have to go back and get that. But that's okay. I think it's in... Where did we put it? Did we put it in a Discord init bot? Oh, no, I'm not showing that on stream. That's a bad idea. Here it is.
An environment variable? Yeah.
Yeah, it's an environment variable. Cool. I'm a little bit hasty about showing environment variables in stream because I think if I open them, I might accidentally expose my Twitch ID, which seems like a very bad idea.
Fair enough.
And this would just go in like...
Yeah, you want to leave it in the brackets actually, but you can actually, depending on what you want to do, you can actually bring it in from the event too. So you can say like whatever message the channel, whatever channel the message was sent in, just send the message right back into that channel.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's contained in the event.
Don't trust this lot to do that. I'm gonna go and lock it to a specific channel because I know what you're all like. Someone says what you
That's my bad. This is from Twitch, isn't it? So it won't.
Yeah, this is coming from Twitch.
That's right.
And
it won't work.
Yeah.
Need to hard code
Sender says,
that.
what are you using to create this code? For sending and deleting and creating a message, we're using autocode, which is a really cool thing, which helps you code things basically without having to be like an amazing programmer. So for example, when I got told, oh, you got 2 hours, build a Twitch bot. Building a Twitch bot from scratch is probably gonna be a little bit difficult to do in 2 hours. Like, you know, we don't get given long for these streams, but 2 hours, like, to kind of build something cool that integrates using autocode into Twitch. You know, this is kind of what we can use to kind of do it a bit faster. Autocode.com is what you want to go and check out if you want to use it. Hashtag plug, I guess. So channel name must be provided if channel ID is not done. Channel ID is generally preferred. Lower rate limit, interesting.
Yeah.
And then the
what you're doing is great.
Yeah. The content is the embed effectively, right? This is, oh, the embed is the embed, I guess.
Yeah, what I would suggest for the buttons, use the embed builder. It just makes the structure a bit simpler to come up with.
So the autocode embed builder?
Yeah, you had it earlier, I think.
Yeah, the really fancy thing. It's actually really nice.
Yeah.
This sort of embed builder.
Thank you. Yeah, our designer Scott.
Did you build it?
Our designer Scott. Yeah, he's Canadian actually, so happy Canada Day, Scott,
Scott's a great guy.
I think he's in chat.
Yeah, hi Scott, if you're watching. Happy Canada Day. Hope you're having a good day off. I hope you are having a day off is probably the better way of putting that. So we can do, let's just do like, you know, name, activated a super crazy big reward on Twitch. We'll find a custom emoji in a bit. For now, let's not go and test our luck. Let's just go and do a basic one. And you were mentioning I can go and use these
it'll be under components, yeah. That's what the new buttons are under. But yeah, you can set the style of the button and like kind of what that custom ID is going to be important for routing. But yeah, you can see how this goes.
Awesome. You've also got a question. Does autocode use its own API or does it just make templates for the official one? Feel free to answer that while I try and figure this out.
Yeah, we sort of like wrap existing APIs. So at the end of the day, when you call the Discord API on autocode, you're actually calling like our wrapper for the Discord API, and we send things along to Discord after you know, kind of doing the authentication and handling a lot of the formatting for you, if that makes sense.
That makes a ton of sense. So I guess one thing we should add a button is like if someone sends this reward into Discord, they probably want to be able to go and see what's going on Twitch to everyone else who's there. So let's go and do that. Let's make sure that's enabled. We can add an emoji to our button as well. Oh, interesting. So is this formatted as like, so I just do like,
I think if you do that should do it.
Awesome.
So with the URLs, it'll actually turn into a link, which if we want to, yeah, I mean, that's fine. If you want to just do that, that's okay. But
that's a good first one. Don't worry, we're going to do a non-link as well.
Okay.
We're going to go like...
Yeah, that's when we get a little fancy.
Yeah, now we're going to get fancy.
Oh, yeah.
And so I think when someone sends this crazy reward, you know, in true Blahaj Gang style, we want it to go and explode and cause tons of cool stuff to happen. And so I think, how bad can it go if you give people the ability to press a button, which makes the bot send another message? And it just basically causes this giant wall of bot spam in this channel. How badly can that go? And so I guess we can just do like a yeet button. I think just making the bot send yeet is a good first step. I'm thinking the emoji we could use as a rainbow, considering, you know, we just ended Pride Month and Blahaj Gang got extremely into Pride Month, as I think you can probably see. And okay, so do I need to right now say what this is going to do? I presume I need to go and put an identifier, but do I need to say this is what this button does yet, or do I just create the button and then we work that bit out later?
You can create the button and we'll work it out from there. That custom ID is going to be important for basically like routing. So we'll create an endpoint that responds to a button with this custom ID, essentially, in your channel.
That makes a ton of sense. And I guess we should probably go and add an embed title as well. So let's just do, I guess we should probably put a picture. Let's go and do, go on Tenor. Tenor, if you don't know, it is a GIF website. It's pretty cool. And because it's Canada Day, I guess we should celebrate Canada Day here. I'm thinking this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. If you've never been to Canada, this is actually what you see on the sidewalk all the time. They're everywhere. You
just
literally can't get
beavers
you see beavers everywhere. Like you've been to Canada, right, Jacob? Like how many beavers did you see when you were over here?
None that had cartoon eyes like that, and none that were holding signs. But I will take your word for it.
He's lying. He saw them everywhere. I really hope. Yeah, perfect. We'll do an embed title of Happy Canada Day. The world's newest international holiday, because Canada Day is now a worldwide holiday as of today. And cool, let's go and create this. So I'm going to copy the code.
Yep.
I presume the easiest way is just to kind of leave this as like default content, and then we paste it in. So
I would actually, so yeah, you can leave that there. I think the builder will actually generate the API call as well. So actually, you can just
nice.
It might be better not to use the inserter here in this specific case. Yeah. Just like throw it in there. There you go.
Well, that's pretty nice.
So you don't need the lib. Yeah, there you go. But
this is what we call the future, friends. And by the future, I mean literally right now, because I'm using it literally right now. Okay, so we've got our watch live on Twitch, we've got our Yeet button, and we've got our Happy Canada Day. We'll get to the button in a second. I do just want to test things first and to check that everything hasn't gone horrifically wrong in our life. Adam wants a Shrek Haj. If you want to make a Shrek Blahaj emoji, I'm not going to stop you, but it might scar us for life. So, like, do it with caution, I guess. Let's try doing this test the bot. Let's test bot, yay. We can also go and insert this text on it as well, is what I'm thinking would be pretty cool. So our logs are yellow, which is not ideal. Let's dive into what went wrong where. Assume we can do this.
Oh no.
Oh, interesting. Did I not? I think I did it wrong because nothing's triggered. Let me just get the logs big so stream can actually see them a bit better. Twitch, I can never remember how to do. How do I get big logs on, Jacob? Vlogs.
Vlogs, yeah. It didn't show up in the little one?
I think it did. I just want to make sure stream can see it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
So invalid channel ID. The channel ID parameter must be formatted correctly. So what does this mean, friends? It meant we did it wrong, didn't we, Jacob?
Yes.
And by we, I mean I, but I'm blaming you.
I'll take that bullet.
It's okay. So the process.m.channel ID. This gets us the channel ID from the environment variable, right?
Yeah, I think we when we did the bed builder stuff, it didn't translate over.
Gotcha.
Where is it?
Here it is.
Yeah, there we go. See it? It's coming from. Yeah, we forgot. We had it correct before, but now we need to. Yeah, basically do it there too.
Awesome. And anyone who's watching for it, this is called paired programming. The idea is, you code together. Someone kind of be like, yeah, that's probably not going to work. And it means we catch the bug a lot earlier than just you sitting there being like, I'm very, very, very confused. So yeah, like that's kind of why Jacob being here is amazing. Also, Jacob, let me know if you do have to hop off. Like,
no, you're great. This is a lot of fun. Yeah, having a great time.
This is awesome. So, in theory, when I do this, it should now put us this crazy thing with a button that does nothing in chat. So let's do. Here we go. Send it.
Hello.
And here is our Canada Day celebration.
Right.
We do need to add the name, don't we?
Yep.
And okay, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe I do this. And I do this. Ooh, whoops. And then I go blah, 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 blah. And I get these from context. Oh, wow. It's not liking me today, is it? I believe if I do it here and copy paste it in, it'll probably work. Yeah, context.param.event. Not rewards.
Yeah, could be the person who made it. Yeah, that looks promising. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Do you know what the difference between username and use the login is?
No, I don't actually. Well, let's try them both. So what we can do actually, Jacklyn, is
Yep.
So yeah, set that up, and then we can actually take that. We had that inspect request button.
Yes.
We can actually like replay events. So you can save the payload that came in.
Yep. Okay. So
yeah, I'm not sure you did this last time. Yeah, inspect it, and then see that copy. Scroll down a bit. Well, yeah. So we can see the payload there, and we can see what the difference between login and username is. But then we can copy it there, and then we actually have it there, and we can just run using that. So you can like kind of replay and without needing to go back to Twitch every time. Yeah, brand new today.
Run it using this.
Yep, just hit run, and it'll just take the data you had there. And if you check your Discord channel now,
and there's another Canada today.
Yeah, and you can see your name there.
Amazing. For anyone who's curious, it looks like the difference between username and user login. User login is like not case sensitive by the look of it, which I guess makes sense. Well, that's exciting. We've managed to go and build something that goes and like put something in like the spam of our chat. Pridebot goes wild on it. It takes Pridebot reacts to 4 different things. I'm not quite sure what's setting Pridebot off, but like that's exciting. So I guess our final mission is to go and add this yeet button, Jacob.
Yep. I'm
gonna need some help here.
You can do it. I believe in you. Okay. Pair programming power.
Pair programming power. Okay. How do I get started?
Okay, so create a new endpoint just like you did before, with the plus or by right. Yep. And then the new we'll set the trigger to Discord, obviously.
Yep.
And it's gonna be you can actually search a button there and it'll show up.
Message.button.interaction, I see.
Yep. And custom ID I think was Yeetus Deletus or
I think it was Yeetus Deletus. That's incredible. Like we could build like a whole magic thing where it's like these silly spells which you really dumb things. Like wow, I'm just gonna double check that is correct. Because I know what I'm like. I do typo constantly when I'm doing these MLH streams. Yeet button. It was. Okay, cool. So now if I press that button, this will trigger. Is that correct?
That's correct. And we can actually try that now with these logs. With the logs, or we can just get right into it.
Yeah, let's try it with logs. That's a good idea.
Okay. So save it first.
Yep.
Yep, you are.
It's just doing its thing. Taking its time. There we go. So it's now live. So and previously made button should work.
Let's give it a try. Okay, so there we go. And if we hit logs there, we can see, I don't think we ran it. So yeah, there we go.
Yeah, there we go. 029, which is very, very exciting. We've got logs in chat. Well, in a log viewer, I guess. That's where logs generally go.
That's the right. Just so it's kind of like omnipresent. Yeah, there we go. Maybe that'll be helpful.
That is so useful. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay. So I now can press this button. I can trigger something. And that trigger can be spam in Discord, right?
Yep.
Amazing.
Let's start with that. Yeah, I was going to say we could update the button to be disabled or remove the buttons, like if you only want someone to press it once. But let's just start with sending a message. And
that sounds like a really cool next step. Let's try. Let's try giving that a go in a second. So, to send a message into Discord, I need to go and use the magic wand button. I can remember this. So, generate workflow, I believe.
Okay.
I think. And you want to do Discord? I want to send a message. I guess, or do I? Or do I want to just build another embed? That might make more sense.
Yeah, I think up to you. Yeah, I think we could start with just something really simple and just send like, "Hello, it's working," if we wanted to. But I think we're pros now, and we can just jump right to the embed.
Awesome. Let's try giving it a go. So my channel ID, I can get the context from the event, right? And that would be the event, the channel which the button was in.
Yeah, so that'll be, I think, you can just search channel there, maybe.
Channel ID?
Yep.
I presume. Cool. And then we can leave that empty because it's optional. Content, okay. Just throw yeet. You know, who needs more than a yeet? I think that's probably enough for these fine
Sounds
folks
good to
at
me.
home. Yeah. We could really cause chaos here by enable text-to-speech. I'm going to explicitly turn that off because I know what you like. We'll leave his embeds empty. That's fine. Allowed mentions? Absolutely not. I know what you're... In fact, I'm like, do I turn it on for the notification squad? But I feel like they'd hate me for it. Can I make it so you can just ping Adam? Is that an option?
This will just be in the message. So whatever, if you mention someone in the message, it'll ping them. If you want to turn that, like you can mention someone without pinging them essentially, and that would that'd be what this parameter is for. So you can just leave it blank.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And then this message reference, what's this?
Replies.
Gotcha. Okay,
yeah, so if you want us to reply to an existing message, so I think you're good.
Yeah, I want to cause the maximum chaos here, and replies would like cause less chaos.
For sure. So yeah, we'll need to just get rid of all that stuff above it. Yeah, it's just boilerplate.
Yep, that result I think should be there as well. Is that right?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Let's give it a go.
Do. So, let's hit run. And then we can do the whole replay thing again. So let's give
Yep.
that a go. When it does its thing.
Yep.
It's like updating.
There we
Hold
go.
on a bit longer. Oh.
Oh,
It
it's
appears
complaining.
you're using test data.
We never got a real event in, or we never set a real event. So we can. I think you pressed it earlier, so we can go to our logs again.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and one of these came from Discord, right? When we press the button,
I believe it. Well, let's just go and do another one.
we can
for the
try it
sake of
again. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
There we go.
Bazinga?
So yeah, now you can inspect that and save that. Yep. Or copy it.
This. And then we can hit run on this, right?
Yep. So when you press the button, I think it. Yeah, let's try.
Oh, it'll have done it anyway, won't it?
Yeah. So you pressed it once, and then the second one is from the. Oh boy, here it comes.
Here it comes.
Your legion.
So
of,
everyone on Blahaj
yeah.
gang, there is 0 rate limiting on this right now, so go wild. Do your
Uh-oh.
best. I will zoom in on the code everywhere. I'm amazed they haven't gone too crazy yet. Friends, there is 0 rate limit on this thing. You can press it as many times as you... There we go. There we go.
Okay. Let's be quick and update it. So you
Yeah,
can-
okay, so how do we go and rate limit it before this entire thing explodes?
Well, rate limiting is a bit tougher, but you can. What I recommend is just updating the message right when it gets pressed once.
That makes a lot of sense,
Okay.
yeah, because otherwise... Oh my god. Oh my
boy.
god.
Oh my
You're
god.
going to kill Pridebot, friends. You're going to, like, rate limit the other bots.
Ashwin Ashwin's just typing messages at this point.
Okay, so how do I go and disable that button?
Okay, so we're on the clock here, so be quick. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
say there's another. I would do it above this, so disable the button first, so we're not waiting longer to send the message.
That's a very good
so right
idea.
there, yep. Do await,
Oh, wait.
and this is this is kind of like the autocomplete in action, sort of like similar to what you saw in the workflow builder, but inline. So await space.
Gotcha.
Space, yeah, lib dot. You can hit tab too. Lib, Discord, and then update. You can just find update there. I think it'll.
Update.
Yeah, edit
edit
a previously sent
sent
message. Yep. And then you get something similar to the workflow builder. The ID, I know, yeah, from experience, it's just going to be well, you can search for it. So $, bracket, and you can look for ID
Content.
maybe.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, we can
just
just
ID,
type in
I
ID. Awesome.
Yeah, there you go. Message
And
ID.
it's probably message ID.
Yeah, and then same ID for channel.
Yeah. Let's go and have that a go. Context.params. I'm typing the entire thing. I know I don't need to.
No worries. Yeah.
I'm just being dumb. There we go.
All
okay.
good. So we want to keep the same content, maybe. So we can do content, just content.
So if we can
sorry,
basically
yeah.
duplicate it.
Exactly. Yeah. So we're gonna update it to have the same content as before. And
Makes sense.
yeah, we can. Yeah. Let's leave embed and let's do the embed and component part in line. Actually, that'd be
Okay.
more convenient.
So we're gonna hit save.
Yep. Hit finish. Embed is just gonna be the embed from the original message. So you can
Yep.
do comma.
Oh, whoops. I'm just going to check on the chaos that's currently ensuring. Oh my god.
Oh, boy.
Oh my god, everybody. You're
Well,
going to kill
okay.
Pridebot. So the embed is going to be the same thing, right?
Yeah. So just context.params.
Context.params. It doesn't feel like a lot of...
Oh, you know what?
computing
Actually,
today.
sorry. This can't be a string because it's got to be an object, and if you put it in
Oh.
the brackets like that, yeah, it'll get mad at us.
That? Or...
No, it's just context.params by itself. That's it there. Yep, there you go. And then we can use the autocomplete as well, and it'll just be message, I think.
Yep, message.
Embed.
Embed. There we go. Oh, embed
That's
0.
fine. Yeah, that'll do. I think
Awesome.
Discord recently changed, added the parameter to send multiple embeds, but that'll work.
That's pretty
Since we only have
awesome.
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to update on our end actually. Cool. And then let's just remove the components for now. I think that'll be fine.
Okay.
We can update it later. But yeah.
So that
that's
should
it.
just remove it. That's it.
That's it.
Oh, wow. Okay. So let's hit save.
Let's see what happens.
We're going to test this live. We're not going to do any kind of copying like things. We're going to test it live. So if it goes horrifically wrong, we'll see it go horrifically wrong.
Okay. Let's do it from Discord actually.
That's a great idea. Let's so it's live.
Yep. And we'll scroll up to the button, hopefully.
Poor Pride Boy. It's going to be a big scroll.
Oh man.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ, everyone. Okay. So if I press this yeet button, it should disable the yeet button.
Yeetus
Oh,
Deletus.
Someone beat us.
There we
Yeetus
go.
Deletus. It worked. It worked. It's a
Go.
Christmas miracle.
Okay.
Before everyone else gets it, I'm going to get this one. Bazinga.
Cool. Awesome. So that's
Well-
yeah, you can make it like kind of single use like that. Yeah, you can also disable the button too, but you would need to go into the components and kind of, I don't know if you remember when we sent the message, it was like a disabled flag on the button. We can turn that to true, and it'll,
that is awesome. Well, I think giving people a button that doesn't work feels like a very dangerous game to play with this lot. I know what we're all like, so I'm going to let them just have no button, because I feel like if I gave them a button to click that doesn't do anything, they would still spam click it into oblivion until their Discord crashed, and then say like, why did my Discord crash? And it's like, because you broke it.
Too powerful for Discord.
Yeah, so we'll let them do those things. And that is our cool bot we're building today. Jacob, thank you so much for coming on stream and helping me out. We're going to go and submit this to Init.
This was a crazy,
it's been
someone,
awesome.
I think Hannah Lemon, I think.
Hannah's awesome.
Yeah, she just came in and was like, oh, Jacklyn's live. And I was like, oh crap, Jacklyn's live. I better go tune in. And actually, we have someone else I was going to watch as well, who's streaming at the same time. And I was like, oh boy, like literally, this is never kind of like a double feature. Pretty busy.
It's a battle of the streams. It's a busy day. That's how you celebrate Canada Day, the world's newest international festival.
Double streams, yeah.
Double streams.
But I think your offer to bring me in here kind of tipped me in this balance. Yeah. So thank you.
No problem. Thank you so much for coming. It's been awesome. Jacob, feel free to remoosh. Feel free to chill in chat. Everyone can leave a thank you for Jacob as well in chat for coming on. He did not realize he was coming on stream today. This wasn't planned. So please leave a thank you in Twitch chat. And because this is MLH INIT, we are now going to submit. So Jacob, have a great rest of your day, and happy 4th of July if I don't speak to you before then.
Yeah, thank you. And happy Canada Day to you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Take care.
So, that was pretty awesome. Yeah, lots of thank yous in chat. Blahaj, Jacob deserves to be one of Blahaj's besties. If you want to get Jacob on the server, you can go and make him a bestie. Got lots and lots and lots of thank yous in chat. This is a great stream. Oh, thank you. I have super enjoyed this. You're all awesome. So, it's still MLH INIT. And so we still need to submit. And how do we submit? Well, we of course head over to hackp.ac/init. I'm going to put this link in chat right now for you because, it's pretty useful to have. And then it's eventually going to go and load. And then we're currently on, I think, day 5. I really hope we're on day 5. I'm going to do what I forgot to do and hit check-in. It's very important. And now I have checked in. I can head over to the dev post for day 5, which I'm going to put in chat for you right now as well. And, build a Twitch bot or extension, which I'm counting this as, is one of our challenges today. And so we're going to go and submit that to the Init dev post. And that means we're going to go and get points for our guilds. If you haven't already joined a guild, you should make sure you do. And there's tons of awesome ones. Blahaj Gang, I'm obviously slightly biased, is my guild. You've got Eddie Hub, you've got DSC, you've got tons of awesome ones. And by earning points to your guild, it means that if we go to init.mlh.io/leaderboard, you can go and climb up these rankings. Wow, Blahaj Gang is ahead by 1,500 points. Well done, friends. We've got DSC, Seven Monks, Eddie Hub, Hackon, which is another big one from this time. So you should definitely make sure you're submitting so you can go and earn these points. Anyone can join Discord. Anyone can join the craziness. It's been awesome to have you all. So let's go on to dev post. We're going to say I am working. Well, technically, I had a team. I already have a team. My team was Jacob. We heard about who told you about MLH on day 5? Was it dev post? Major Lee, MLH's newest dairy brand. Friend, my colleague or ever. Major Lee. And hang on. Please, other. I literally work with you, mate. Cool. And we're going to say, how did you make a dev post for Init? Nah. How did you find out Init? Hello, I literally organized this stream for it. Cool. I am definitely over the age of 13 and do not live in North Korea, and I agree to these rules that I have not read. Let's go and hit register. Hey, you're all good, Brittany. You're awesome. So let's go and create this project. We're going to go and complete the capture, the hardest part of the stream. Autocode is easy. Building passing a capture, very difficult. Let's hit verify. And we're going to skip this step with teams. My project name is the best Discord bot, Twitch bot in the world. Elevator pitch, presented by not DigiKey, obviously. And we're going to hit save and continue. What is my inspiration? Once when I was a small child, I felt like I needed a Discord bot in my life. This is what that dream ultimately resulted in. What does it do? What doesn't it do? Close enough. How we built it. TLDR, Jacob helped me and I needed it. Challenge you run into. Coding. Accomplishments we're proud of. It works, lol. What did we learn? When in doubt, don't code. Get a bot to code for you. Brackets and Jacob. There was no actual noun. Coca, we're not going for English here. We're going for init. And what's next? Someone probably breaks it. Have we built this using JavaScript? And autocode. And you can try it out at harsh.lol/discord. Project media, I guess we're just going to take a screenshot of this craziness. Yeah, you should probably scroll screenshot on so you got one. And then we'll hit save and continue. The challenge, of course, we completed was create a Twitch bot or extension. I agree to these terms and conditions, submit, and I just earned points for Blahaj Gang. So you can be earning points for your guild in the exact way. The leaderboard will update at noon every day, as well as a new set of challenges. Jacob's like, I'm definitely a bot. Jacob, you're definitely a bot. You know, we'll edit it. I did say, when in doubt, don't code, get a bot to code for you. And Jacob, there you go. And there you go. There is your points. You know, we achieved something, friends, today. And so now we've earned a point for Blahaj Gang because I'm in Blahaj Gang. You could be earning a point for your guild. There's tons of different challenges you can do. You can find them all at init.mlh.io/challenges. I suspect. I've never been to the page. I just used the spreadsheet. There we go. And there's tons of different challenges. Today, you know, we've got ones which are build a water hacks. That one is presented by Xylem. You've got build using cloud technology, use a 3D model, share your Chrome Dino score. That's easy points. You know, Gina AI, all sorts of different ones. And you also have all of these weekly challenges, which you can do at any point during the week. Whichever guild has the most points by the end will be declared the winners and will receive absolutely nothing because there is no prize. But hey, you know, if you're registered for it, you are all going to get swag. And that is it for today's chaos. You know, however, all is not over yet. Ashwin says crazy stream, thank you. There is more coming up because I can now reveal that in 15 minutes, I will be joined by basically the person in charge of a league, in charge of all the events you go to. Her name is Jamie. You may have met her. She is a wondrous human being. And Jamie will be joining me and you as we play Minecraft minigames live on the MLH stream. What could possibly go wrong? We're going to be playing on a private server on Mineplex, which you can all join us on, provided you have Minecraft Java Edition. Yeah, this is potentially the biggest chaos ever. Basically, we're going to play games together. You're going to play games together. We're going to chat about League. We're going to chat about all the cool stuff coming up in the upcoming season and all the cool stuff that we had this season. I'm also going to call out that a knit party is happening tomorrow. So, tomorrow it's Friday. Got to get down on Friday. And at 3 p.m. Eastern, so this time, but 45 minutes to go tomorrow, we are going to be doing a knit party as a celebration of everything you've all achieved over the last year in the hackathon scene, and we cannot wait to show you all. If you don't have Minecraft, you can just happily chill. If you do have Minecraft, I will see you here in 15 minutes. This stream will be exclusively on MLH Twitch only, so yeah, make sure you come. Ash was saying chaotic, that's awesome. Coca, if there's a couple that are in the wrong place, do me a favor and just make a ticket, and then just so Mary can have a look. Ryan's taking the afternoon off. So I'll see you all in 15 minutes for the secret stream. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for everyone who, you know, went on this crazy adventure with us. In a space of about an hour and a half, we built a Discord bot which connects to Twitch, which is really cool. Appreciate you all. And I will see you all in about, well, not very long for the rest of today. Have a great one, friends. And stay awesome.